Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today, look at this, I'm in the house with a WanWu Studio Armor Slider in Zirc. Here with me for a review, we're gonna analyze the look, the sound, and the feel of this little fella. But hey, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you aren't subscribed already, and please let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about this fella. Look at the case. I mean, it's a pretty cool one. It comes with this hard plastic case, and it's like padded on both sides. Sometimes you find something underneath, so make sure you check what is there. In this case, you're gonna find some stickers, some extra magnets, and of course, you're gonna find your toy right over here, which is pretty good, pretty cool, sorry. This is the second iteration. They made this in steel. I loved it, but I was waiting for this fella 100%. So let's quickly check the measurements. So the narrowest part, this guy is going to be 0.9 inches in width. The height is going to be 1.66 inches, and let's see, thickness at the thickest point probably is going to be this one. It's going to be 0.39 inches. Also, like, pretty lightweight in the pocket. You're basically not gonna feel it. It's pretty cool in weight, even if, you know, Zirc is gonna add a little bit more of that. So let's just zero this thing. All right, and look at that, 0.178 ounces. Not too shabby, eh? So this is a slider made in Zirc with this, I believe this is copper inlaid. Look at this detail, guys. Not too shabby, right? Nice machining going on both sides. That's pretty cool. So this is a slider. This is the armor slider. It has a nice look for sure. On this side, reminds of the Japanese armors, of course. Like, look at that. It's like it's pretty cool. It's pretty neat, I have to say that. And on the back, you see this kind of demon. I don't know what actually is. I don't know if it has a name in any kind of culture. Let me know in the comments down below what is it, if it's representing something. But you have these lines, kind of like reminding me of swords. You see, like right there, and it's pretty good. Of course, it's made in by two parts. In this case, actually, you see a Teflon sticker installed to reduce, of course, the scratching and to increase the smoothness of the piece. Like, if you press hard, now it's much nicer than before and almost quiet. But also, you see, you can be, of course, like, able to make some noise, some sounds, just like by doing this. Or you just can enjoy the haptic feel that this guy is, giving to you by just applying a little bit more pressure. So, I mean, the grip is phenomenal because of these ridges and the texturing on the back, so it will never fail on you. You will always be able to slide it because it's so grippy. That's why I like this guy so much. You can also hold it like this and also like that. It's I prefer like this way because it's like more rounded and more like the feel is better for my fingers, like in this position rather than in that, but still, you can do both. I mean, this is a pretty solid design, guys. There's, I believe, 100 made of these. They are very expensive, probably in the $300 range, I think $250. So it's an expensive toy. It's like super rare. It's super cool looking, nice sound, nice feel, nice look. Guys, this is a keeper for sure. And I just love this one. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.